Uyabona ayijike khona la ijike khona ke akunandaba. Chom hamba straight uzojika lapha kujika khona lapha egarage. Ibright wena Chom. Hi guys, I didn't angizange ngibulise today because it was bathini angikwazi nokukhuluma. A lot was happening. Choma uzobana le tripod ukuthi njani? Hi guys, ngiyanitshela ngicela ubone ukuthi moyiphatha iphatha kanjani. Hi Chom.
Hi my friend.
We are looking pretty
worldwide. Hello.
Clocker. Guys, so this is a shooting content as long as we're in the next. It's a bonding session as well.
And ice cream.
Chom, mi bengisasho la ukuthi sizoshoot content namhlanje. Okay, sengiyathi.
But normally I go drop yet.
Okay, ithintshe abo girl seba ready. Yasibona sibahle njani? Yes. Yes. Ladies, outfit of the day. Tell us about your outfits and stuff.
Shoes, Mr. Price, darling.
Yes.
Shirt, Mr. Price, darling.
Yes.
Crop tee, Mr. Price, darling.
Yes.
Shirt, Fashini, darling.
Yes.
Sheen, darling.
Yes.
Sheen, darling.
Yes.
God, darling.
Yes. Period. Yes, mama.
Shirt, Shein. Jewelry, Shein, darling. Pants, Mr. Price. Shoes, Mr. Price.
With a bag. Bag, ma'am.
Adidas.
Yes.
Darling. And then
Adidas, Chom.
Yes.
Oh, that's a nice bag.
Thank you.
Yes.
Jewelry from Shein.
Yes.
Piece.
And
makes you
glasses.
Mr. Price.
Yes.
From the one and only honey bag. So shirts from Shein. Pants from Sahara Shop. Bag. I don't even remember. Shoes. I don't even remember. And then watch is from Shein. Rings are from Legit. And then my zozos, I think are from Shein or Mr. Price. What's her telemundo smagate? Yes, it's ready.
360.
Yes, I'm ready.
Mina sengiserious ngempilo yami Chum. I don't want to work a 9 to 5 until I die.
No.
No. Abantu, we are girls. Abantu
balekile manikhumula. Adani zaphansi ngeke
ngekuyimele.
Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come.
Take a picture.
Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn.
Welcome to my channel, boo. Welcome to my channel. Channel. Yeah. Sanbaran guys, welcome to the Honey Housing for Guitars. Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come bearing good news after so many struggles. After so fighting for my life, after constant prayer, talking to my ancestors to say, you know what, I need the license, okay? I need it. And today we have a license. Da, 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 da. Guys, I've had so many wins, not so many, but quite few wins this year. And even when I got a job, like a permanent job, I was not as excited as I am about. I don't know why, but like this is so personal to me. Like I'm so happy, I'm so relieved because I went through so much trying to get this paper. I went through so much trying to get this paper. Do you guys understand where I'm coming from? You don't. So anyone who is in the process of trying to get a license, brace yourself. Be ready mentally, spiritually, physically, and emotionally. Because you're gonna go through all the process, especially if you've never driven before, or if at home they don't allow you to drive, or they haven't taught you anything. At all. Okay, I remember my dad used to wanted me to as for the sick. But guys, so celebrate today. I've bought myself some shampoo and I am going to celebrate myself, because in life you need to celebrate your wins, especially the ones that you never thought you're gonna get. Celebrate them because they're important. So guys, you see that imoto is seducing. Imoto into being I'm capable of getting something that for me it was an afterthought. So I wonder how they do it, but now it feels closer. It feels close, guys. Testimony sometimes in life you can go through the worst of the worst, but when the time you're gonna feel like all the pain that you felt in the past didn't even exist, or you didn't even go through them. Because one thing for sure, my sisters, my parents, oh Sponono, in spirits, they work overtime, okay? Because what is the meaning of this? Anyway guys, I've celebrated enough with you, and bye. See you when I open some shampoo. Get him, Sabine.
Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past. The hood on. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday. I hope everyone is fine and welcome to the Honey Hive. I don't know if you're available, but today I came here to test out my Sponono with you guys. I've used my Sponono before. The day I bought it, Ngawasha. I did mention it on my previous vlog. Guys, I know I look a mess, but don't mind, okay? I just woke up. So, I'm gonna do the washing with you. It's for the right, guys. It's just as only add miniana. But I've realized if you use this pipe, we are now though. If you use this pipe, anyways, or you can use it to fill up a mazlama parrots. Alright guys, I'm gonna try it today with you guys. And then I know a lot of people, I'm sure, is watching today because it's been raining the whole week. But I'm not really for too long, you know. I'm not really for too long. So I decided that I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna take my chances today in wash. Okay. So I think I'm gonna send Sponono party, and then after this, giza. Get ready. I need to go to the shops to buy some few stuff. Come back, sit down, relax, cook later, and then call it a day. Today I'm chilling. I'm not going anywhere. I don't have plan to do anything. I'm gonna usually, okay. So yeah.
I don't know what he wants from me. I offered him all of me. I don't know what he wants from me. He's loving me partially, and I just can't do this no more. I know I deserve it more. I can't do this no more. I don't know what he wants. Time can only tell how long I'm in the sun. My eyes can only tell when I'm thinking, son. Like how good we might be together. Like how I could see it forever. But if you don't think so, then let me know. I'll go back to how I
ngitshela ukuthi ngizoyenza le routine le engayibona ku TikTok le abathi if you use this technique, that powder thing tutorial that I did last time. So ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi number 1, you do feel fresh for longer, right? So firstly we need to, I didn't shave, so don't judge the curl. So but make sure that we wipe in all these areas that we sweat a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna shave tomorrow. I'm also going to do it on my bum, and then I'm gonna do it on my bum as well. So I normally use 5 cottons for this. I also apply it under my breasts, right? Under my breasts, and then apply it on my bum, like until I wipe there, Ross, TMI son, TMI. But my bum is always like clean after shower. The places that always have dirt, if I use this technique, it's my ears, my armpits, oh. And then after that, you normally go, I apply this Pusher M for my face. And girls, I'm saying why, because guys, for my face, your facing, and then I apply this Nature's Nourishment, what. Laba nature guys, laba products abawenzayo mina ngibona umsebenzi wami. I don't know. I want to invest more on my skincare stuff. So I'm planning ukuthi I'm going to buy La Roche-Posay or CeraVe or Ordinary something. There's sunscreen. This is not my favorite sunscreen. I actually don't know why I bought it. I bought it because Umuntu was raging about it, saying that it's so good. Here company say make sure you don't apply anything. I prefer the Eversun one. The Eversun one you let me one meshu, but this one I don't know, maybe call meshu. But I don't feel like it's hydrating the way the Eversun one hydrates your skin, yeah. So I use my lab for my body today. Okay. So guys, I'm going to start skincare routine. Sammy rats. And then I go. Then I'm going to apply the whole body. And then I go. I usually use this. I don't usually use this Manzolala. I usually use this Masengizo. My incidents so that I can smell nice. Love it. Then it smells so nice. Right. This is the powder. Remember that powder? This is the powder, guys. This is how it looks now. I've been using it and it smells so nice. Like, it smells so nice. So what I usually do, I just dip in, right? If I long in the corner, just, you know, right? And then if I in a pants come belly, rounds. If I in a pants come belly, I can't show you that, guys. And then if I use Sponono, and then I put it on my bum like Gumtintina just outside there. So that I can get dry. I use a cotton for this one. I don't use the this thing. The roll on that I've been using. I love it so much. It smells so nice. Sometimes I usually start with the roll on, sometimes I don't, but I love it.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the bed, eat body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you.
It's later. Saturday. It's actually later. Oh, not Saturday. 25 past 3 March. Just finished taking a bath, and then right now I'm going to buy some few stuff that I need a shop ride. I'm not gonna take you guys with me because I want to leave my phone, and then when I come back make food because I haven't eaten since morning. So I think that chlorophyll thing is helping me also with the appetite. Chlorophyll, guys, I think I would recommend it. I would recommend it a lot. And then in terms of Sponono, guys, if you wanna buy Sponono, you can buy Sponono, but just know that Sponono has a lot of admin. Okay, Sponono ne admin. Sponono ufuna umuntu okubudget. Sponono ufuna umuntu onyanya ukuyenza so, but the rest of the stuff akayinyanyi, because it's the putting in water, taking out water, changing water. Because I normally, let me close the window. Faka amanzi wakhiphe, and then mokoropa, obviously you need to mokoropa, you need to keep in mind not ukoropa. What am I saying? Githi mina mawufuna uthenga uSponono, you can buy uSponono, but you must keep in mind that uSponono needs a lot of admin, because the putting in water, taking out of water, changing water, that is a lot. Sponono ufuna umuntu ongafuna ukuwasha ngezandla, and uSponono ufuna ngathi you wash your clothes every week so that they don't pile up until seklala la impahla yabo. So mina I'm happy with this Sponono, because as long as I don't have to do this. But if you have a budget to buy an automatic clothing washing machine, you should go for an automatic washing machine. If you're on a budget and you're avoiding to do this, you can buy Sponono. Sponono washa kahle, impahla ziba clean. So I'm happy with my Sponono. The other thing that I wanted to say, what else did I wanted to say? Yeah, guys. So I'm going to the shops, come back and watch a new series that I've discovered. It's called Bel Air. It's so nice. If you're someone that enjoyed watching Insecure, enjoyed watching but in the book, you will literally enjoy the series that I'm watching on Showmax right now. It's very nice. So when I come back, I am going to make food, watch it, and then probably I'll try to cook later, but I'm not sure. Guys, I think that's all from my side. I don't have anything much to say. If I forget anything, I'll have to think about it, and then I'll tell you guys when I come back. But right now I am going, and I'm wearing this top. At this point, the top layer should remember it's Hanifa, but I like it. This is my outfit today because I wanted to look cute and stuff. But I'm thinking that I think things will change. I'm not sure. I think things will change, guys. It's hoping so I think I'm gonna change the top. But I feel like I'm losing weight now. This thing of not eating is helping me. Okay.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro lloro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Nice to meet you, Jackie. Well, government, in order to actually change things, keep coming to the meetings. We'd love to hear.